Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm covering an interesting article from the Wall Street Journal about the potential of Apple and Meta teaming up on AI. Let's jump into it. First off, a little background that I think is important for this story. You'll remember that these two companies aren't great friends. Specifically, a few years ago, Apple took a huge multi-billion-dollar bite out of Meta's business. Specifically, Apple basically eliminated the iOS API that allowed Meta to track people across apps on a device. Meta used this information to target and sell ads. Also, Apple has been very conspicuously calling out the privacy features of their ecosystem. This is a not so subtle jab at Meta and others' business model of selling ads, like Google. All right, with that said, what is the news here? Let's read. Apple, Meta have discussed an AI partnership. So the real gist of it is right here. Facebook's parent has held discussions with Apple about integrating Meta Platform's generative AI model into Apple Intelligence, the recently announced AI system for iPhones and other devices, according to people familiar with the matter. So you remember that 2 weeks ago, Apple announced that ChatGPT from OpenAI would be available as part of Apple's new AI offerings. So the point of this article seems to be declaring that Meta was also in the running with Google and others to have their AI plugged into iOS. I don't think this is news that Apple particularly cares about, and Meta has been and remains behind in the AI race so far. So I see this as an attempt to ensure that Meta shareholders get the message that they're working hard on AI and that the company remains in the mix with the bigger players. I think Zuckerberg is under pressure to show revenue from the massive tens of billions of dollars that Meta has spent on AI and the plans for more that they have to spend on AI. So I think this article mostly serves the interests of Meta. So to summarize, I think this is a real telling story here. I think folks at Meta got on the horn with the Wall Street Journal and gave them some information that would help Meta in the AI conversation. I think it's interesting that it comes a few weeks after the OpenAI and Apple announcement. I think that indicates that this article could have come out of many discussions within Meta, reacting to what Apple announced at WWDC. Only time will tell where we go from here. So that's about it. Another page in the AI race being written here. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.